What's up, IT Ninjas? Hit the like and subscribe button if you have not already done so. Just takes a second, it really helps out the channel. Today we're going to take a look at the steps to transfer a domain into GoDaddy. This video assumes you have already acquired the transfer codes from the third-party DNS registrar. Acquiring the transfer codes will differ based on the DNS host, and you should contact that vendor support for assistance if needed. Log into GoDaddy and click Portfolio or Domains and then Transfers, or go direct to the URL, which I'll put in the description. Click Transfer to GoDaddy. Next, enter or paste in each domain one per line with the transfer authorization codes separated by a space or comma. Press Continue. Review the summary and go to Checkout. Review the cart order summary and optionally adjust the year quantity for purchase. Click I'm ready to pay. Review the final checkout summary and click Complete Purchase. You can make a note of the confirmation number. You should receive an email copy. Click Continue. Click Transfer on the left side to review the transfer progress. This process typically takes 5 to 7 business days, and you will receive an email upon completion. Some other important DNS and GoDaddy tips. In addition to getting the transfer codes, request a full DNS zone dump from vendor support. Always make sure your account information is up to date. Enable MFA. Make sure your payment methods are valid and not expired. Set all of your products and domains to auto-renew. Thanks for watching, and hit the like and subscribe button. Let me know if this information was helpful with your GoDaddy DNS migrations in the comments. See you in the next video, and let's Ninja Fix It.